and Alexander Hamilton placed their hopes in you, the Senate, to be the court of greatest impartiality, to be a neutral representative of the people in determining, uninfluenced by party or pre-existing faction, the innocence or guilt of the President of the United States. I submit to you on behalf of the House of Representatives that your duty demands that you convict President Trump.
This conclusion was as simple as 2 + 2 = 4. President Trump weaponized our government and the vast powers entrusted to him by the American people and the Constitution.
As many of you in this chamber have publicly acknowledged in the past few days, the facts are not seriously in dispute. We have proved that the president committed grave offenses against the Constitution. The question that remains is whether that conduct warrants conviction and removal from office.
When the history books are written about this tumultuous era, I want them to show that I was among those in the House of Representatives who stood up to lawlessness and tyranny.
The only appropriate result here is to acquit the president and to leave it to the voters to choose their president.
Have the facts as presented to you as a court, as the High Court of Impeachment, proven trustworthy? Not did we win, not did we convict, rather the moral question, was justice done?
We've heard repeatedly throughout the past week and a half or so that the president is not above the law. And I'd like to focus in my last remarks here on an equally important principle, which is that the House of Representatives also is not above the law in the way they conduct the impeachment proceedings and bring a matter here before the Senate.
Both articles of impeachment fail to allege impeachable offenses. For 3 years, this push for impeachment came straight from the president's opponents, and when it finally reached a crescendo, it put this body, the United States Senate, into a horrible position.
It's a problem that here at the end of the trial, the president's lawyers still dispute the meaning of high crimes and misdemeanors.
America will never be destroyed from outside. If we falter and lose our freedoms, it will be because we chose to destroy ourselves.
Now you have seen what we promised. Overwhelming evidence of the president's guilt. Donald John Trump withheld hundreds of millions of dollars to an ally at war and a coveted White House meeting with their president to coerce or extort that nation's help to cheat in our elections. He will not change, and you know it. He has made that clear himself without self-awareness or hesitation. A man without character or ethical compass will never find his way.